Hello, everybody. Week 12 is open for business, and we're doing a couple notable things this week. One is the last new chapter that we'll read in Chevalier's Strategic Thinking and Complex Problem Solving on selling your solution. So give that a good read, and of course, there will be a reading guide for that chapter on the modules page. Be sure you read it before you start the reading quiz due Friday. I do ask questions about the reading guide. And you will see that next week we're going to get to that piece of writing that allows you to sell your solution. It'll be the last major piece of writing you do for the class, at least as a major out-of-class assignment. There's something smaller, but we'll talk about that later. But let's get to the business at hand this week. I'm flipping over to the modules. No, let's go to the assignments page. Even better. I will take a quick detour to the modules page just to show you the reading guide. But now on the assignments page, let's focus our attention on that hypothesis on the potential solution. It comes due awfully soon, Wednesday. And be sure you go with the directions. I mean, the first two paragraph piece you had to write, which was on your statement on a wicked problem. Well, you picked a wicked problem, and of course you're talking about a solution to it finally, after all this time of writing about it, right? But these two paragraphs have discrete ingredients, so be careful to read through all of the steps here. I set this up as kind of a cookbook approach where you just follow the recipe here, go by the steps, and you'll see what goes in which paragraph, okay? And a few things to watch out for here. And again, as I mentioned last week, this one shows up not as something you write away from Canvas, but right here on Canvas. A text box will open up when you're ready. Doesn't mean you couldn't type it up and paste it in if you want. That's fine. So if you want to run some kind of grammar or spell check, always a good idea. Okay, that's what's in store for this week. And I'm looking forward to seeing your thinking on this. Have a great week.